our study sessions always end up with...
Laugh at each other, make a joke.
But at the same time, we're learning. So I am currently doing full-time. Part of it was online and part of it was coming into the course. That was really why I chose to come here, because there was a lot of support for me as a mum.
I had a fascination in my childhood with the culture of China and the therapies that they have, because I was an elite athlete with the Australian Ballets.
And it was as simple as just ringing up, discussing, and being helped along the way of how to enrol.
I was enrolled within a week of making that phone call. You get the opportunity to treat real people with the full support of people who have great knowledge and great experience, who come from the culture itself, and they learn from masters.
So I feel confident enough 100% to go out and start treating, but I also know that I will have where to find that support, and I do have the support.
In each module, each subject, you have this plethora of information that you can actually go back to and take forward.
It's not just being able to do the acupuncture and do the Chinese herbs. You're learning a way of life, you're learning a lifestyle, and if that is interesting to you, go for it.
You make a choice and you fulfill that dream or that passion, and at the end of the day, you have something. Knowledge is just priceless.
You're going to create really long friendships here.